Good game. Good game, Kadayawan. Okay, humana to ang tournament. Last day event sa 3 million na tournament na humana jud. And luckily nakasulod tag final day. 300 entries yata. Mga nasa 300 entries. 10%, 30 entries for final day. From D1A for 4 days na event na qualifying, ang total is 30 players ang naka final day. And crucial stage, share lang nako, isa sa moment of abi na ko mo na tong turning point. Naka 10 big blinds na dapat ko ato kay 100k akong stocks from 170k. So carded for nasa 3 orbits. Once makarded ka for 3 orbits, cripple juga. Nalang ko yung isa ka hand nga gi-open under the gun pa jugo. King Queen suited. Gi-3bet pa jugo sa buton. Open ko mga 23k, 10k big blinds. So 23k, 2.5x ang gi-open. Gi-3bet ko 60k fold. That's why from 170k down to 100k na lang jud for 3 orbits. So if di ka mag-take ng move, ma-blinds out juga. Ano to, Jack 10 Diamond, middle position ko. Folded to me ang action, push ko 10 big blinds, 100k. Ang button all in pod, so ang nahitabo heads up may show cards. 10 Jack ko, Diamond versus Ace King. So sa Ace King behind kay ko, no hit may pareho, flop, pero siya din na kinalaghit, ahead na ka siya. River Jack. So nakachamba. Lang naka-survive back to 220k. Ang tod na bubble time, na-survive na ko ang qualifying. Nakasulod ko final day, which is 152k ang akong stocks. Okay, let's move on to final day. Sa final day, back to 6k ang blinds, 152k, medyo nasa 30 bigs pa ko. Almost 30 bigs, 29 bigs ana. Big blinds. And first orbit, second orbit, nahuman ang 1 level, 40 minutes per level. Bad cards tanan, wala jud ko wala ko'y action. Until naka-Ace King Diamond ko, folded tanan, small blind pa jud ko. Pag open, fold pa jud ang big blind. After ato mga pila ka rounds, naka-kings ko. Open, call big blind, under the gun akong kings, call ang big blind. Sebet ko flop, fold na pod siya. So wala gyud mga kaning big pots na nahitabo. From 150k balik 100k, balik na pug 120k. Ug karon mga guys, 3 million guaranteed. Okay? Qualifying last day karon. So let's go. Table 4, seat 3. First break, 2 hours of play, 30k starting stocks, 32k, 2k up. Uy, sorry. 4 hours. After 4 hours of playing, second break na. Akong booster sa likod. 10 minutes break. After 4 hours of playing.
After the break,
60, 80, 90k plus stocks after 4 hours. 10 minutes break. After 7 hours and 30 minutes playing. Wala akong stocks. 80, 100, 110, 120k. 120k stocks level 14. 29 players in.
This for the 25 pick and proceed to
18 players, 200k stocks.
173.
18 more players remaining. Bubble time, bubble time. 3 million guaranteed bubble time. Ace 5 versus Jacks.
Club is 2, 3, and a 9. Third is a 2, so 4 and an ace. Ace 5, river.
Day 2 for 3 million guaranteed day 2. Ano ito stocks 152,500. 152,500. Okay. Final day. Final day nata sa tuwang busing karon mo ni akong boss. Salamat sa pag-steak boss. Unya, di basta na steak, only steak. Only bullets, di ba? Miskabi steak. Salamat sa atong staker na sa likod. Boss, thank you. Pila yung stock pre? Pila ka bullets? 11,000 times 3. 33k, okay. Champion dahil, di ba? Mangilan, di? Pila stocks karon?
734.
Ay, ikaw dahil, ikaw chip lead? Ikaw dahil chip leader dahil.
Turbo pa ganyan idol ah. Itikasa akong turbo.
Akuan kayo, kaning deserve guys. Sulit kayong 3 bullets.
Survive pa ko niya, survive.
Ikaw pre, pila stocks na?
46, mga mo champion karon.
Ayan. Hanag yun, fighting lang. Laban yun, fighting spirit ba?
Survive.
Okay. Good luck to Pa-start ng final day. Davao, Kadayawan. 3 million special. No, napa dito. Dominated ko. Jack na. Spade. Another all in. Patay. Ace 5, Ace Jack. Wala na.